Oh my god, it's a proper storm outside. Oh, look at the tent blowing. Just getting the stuff out of the car. Daniel's putting his rain clothes on already.
Right.
Woo. This is where we're parked for the night, and the cheeky put me on the end. So we're all set up and the rain started.
It's lovely to be dry.
So there's my setup with my Rab sleeping bag again and my Seed to Summit air mat, and I brought less things. We put bricks around the outer. Dennis is still setting his up. Stan's in his Naturhike, cloud up, and Dennis is in the Coleman. You alright there, Dennis?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at Dennis's. Ooh, look at that in there. That's a posh airbed, Dennis. And Dennis has just got back from sunny America where he was wearing a t-shirt and shorts. And the first thing he wanted to do was come out camping.
Yeah.
Even though it said about 60-mile-an-hour winds.
I'm fed up with the hot weather.
Oh yeah.
It's boiling.
So I've quickly waterproofed everybody's tent.
Thank you so much.
It would be nice if it just stopped raining for half an hour just to dry that off. I'm really giving this Helm Compact 2 a run for its money this year. So Daniel's doing a tent inspection. Cheeky bugger. Oh, look how tidy my tent is. Look at that. That's extremely tidy. Let's have a look in Daniel's tent. Yeah? Let's have a look in yours, Daniel. Oh my God, look at that. Oh wow.
Come inside.
Oh wow, look at Daniel's. Oh, he's got his blanket and a spare pillow. Oh, that looks cool. Okay, Daniel, that is really good. Let's have a look in Dennis's tent.
Welcome aboard.
Let's have a look. Oh, very good.
Good. Papa.
Very good. Do you know what? I think we're all quite equal. But actually, I think Daniel has the edge. Have you seen in his? There's the compulsive disorder there.
Oh wow. Ah, there's a
I
rubbish.
know.
There's a rubbish there.
Oh, he's got rubbish.
That's not mine.
He's got rubbish. Oh,
-10.
busted, Daniel.
That's -10.
Daniel, you've been busted. What did you do to him, Dennis?
Oh my God, this is
Dennis,
-10.
what did you do to him?
No, it's -10.
Oh, here comes the rain.
Right, shall we go for lunch?
Are we happy with all the boulders?
Camper or
Yeah?
Bleeding.
So the guys are back together!
Yay! The crazy camper is here! The middle of hurricane!
Just save them all in water.
Are they the waterproofs that you wore for Scotland? That's not the same coat.
No.
I thought it was different. Do you know what? They're supposed to be quite good poncho ones, you know.
Yeah, this is the first time I use this one. This is from Next.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Would you trust a raincoat from Next?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It's quite expensive, this one.
Was it?
£100.
£100?
Yeah.
Wow.
It wasn't.
£100.
The woman's one, that, isn't
It's
it?
a woman's, yeah.
Yeah, I was there. We spent about £10.
Yeah, but it was £100. The original price was £100.
Hey Dennis, look, there's the double-decker bus.
Oh wow.
Hey, we
John.
could get through the window tonight.
That's John.
Huh?
That's John. The boy John.
It's got plants in it.
How come?
So,
I think that this is not working.
No.
That toilet.
no.
Why is it open though?
Yeah,
It's
it's
not
not. It's not working.
This
She's
is
texted me saying.
You got to go to the horrible one, Dennis.
Oh,
the
no.
one that stinks.
Berserk already. Thinking about it. Where we go up the blue.
So we've just got into
This way.
I can't remember.
Aberdyfi
Is
town.
it?
Yeah, we go up that way.
I can't remember.
Yes.
You all right there, Dennis?
Hello.
It's really pretty, isn't it?
It's not the time.
There's no people.
No one's
Whoa.
Wales.
People hiding in the house because of the storm.
Wow, look at that.
You see what it's called? Oh, we made that one up, didn't we?
What?
Storm Margaret.
Storm Margaret. So we got Storm Margaret coming, haven't we, Dan? Whoa, look at that. The boat's on the water. It's really cool.
We're having lunch, are we?
Yes.
It looks that
Should we
way.
park there?
So we're at Aberdyfi town. The rain's getting worse. It's not going to get any better apparently. And we're going to find somewhere to eat.
Should we go there? Should we go there? Welcome to St. Peter's. Aberdyfi.
Wow. Here comes Daniel. Is it locked? Yeah, what a shame. It's locked.
Oh, it's nice to you.
Yeah. What's on there, Dennis?
Which do we order to? There's the pub there.
Britannia.
Now.
Oh, look at all those stairs. Look, Dennis. Daniel, as part of your losing weight program, go on up and down them stairs. Have you seen them? Look. Look at that. Go on. He's going. Come on, Dan, run. Dennis has just ordered a full breakfast and soup.
And the soup.
What, with the roll?
That's my starter.
Can I have a bit?
Yeah. And what you ordered? Full breakfast?
Full gruel
Full gruel.
and toast.
And I've ordered a full breakfast. We're cheating. We're allowed to. Are you going in?
I don't know.
Dennis is buying stash. Aren't you, Dennis?
We get enough food, haven't we?
Huh?
We get enough food.
Have you got booze?
No, we have enough food.
Yeah, but have you got booze for later?
No, I don't drink alcohol.
Oh, that's fine.
I do, so that I don't.
You can't be hungry after all that food.
I will be later.
Right.
Have the rum.
They're actually buying an ice cream. The ice cream menu.
Can I have the rum and raisins?
You enjoying that, Dennis?
Yeah.
Huh?
What are you having? Strawberry?
Is that mine?
That's mine.
He's licked it. Oh no, he's licked it. The tide's way in. I know. Oh, we are going everywhere. I'm sitting in the wind. Wow.
You're getting on your top and everywhere.
Woo! Is that good, that, Dennis?
Very good. The ice cream is melting.
I know. Dennis. Daniel was fascinated at the plant smelling like curry. Here's another one here. Oh, that's disgusting.
Drink it.
We're back at the tent and the tide's in. Let's put my zip down a minute. It's really windy now, and the rain's really starting to get heavy. They forecast on the coast of Wales up to 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Hello.
Hello.
Are we okay?
Yes, we are, thank you.
Are we alive?
We're alive. I'm just doing one of my drinks.
You doing one of your what?
One of my drinks out my flask.
Oh, lovely.
I know.
I'm having a brew now.
Yeah, it's raining now. Dennis is really tired.
Hello.
He's got jet lag from coming back from America.
Hello.
Hello.
You're right in there, Dennis. Hello.
Hello.
Knock, knock.
Hello.
Knock, knock.
Are you homeless?
Yes, we're homeless.
Where's your head? You're the wrong way round.
Where's it not?
Your head's meant to be the other way, isn't it?
You're supposed to put your feet on the narrow
no-
end.
You've got no space.
Swap your pillow around.
Come on, come out.
Come out, come
Too
out.
early yet. You need to
Wherever
come out
you
and play.
are.
It's lovely. It's not even raining.
I know, come on, Dennis. Knock, knock. Dennis is suffering from jet lag and Daniel's being really super mean.
You wimp, cheating. You meant to be out here.
Is he coming out? Oh, like, let's assess the trees that could fall on top of me. Yeah, there's that up there,
My holy God. That's right above my bloody head.
and what's above me? Somewhat drippy because the top of my tent was wet.
Rocking everywhere. It's right above us.
Yeah,
I
assessing
think if that's going to snap,
the tree damage.
if that's going to snap, I think it's going to sort of fall into the end of the tree.
It might do, you
It
know.
won't just break off and fall
It might do.
down. It'll snap and flop.
It's like coaxing a tortoise to come out of its shell, isn't it? Getting Dennis out the tent. Oh look, there's a hand.
No.
There's a hand. Ah!
Get up, you lazy sod.
Get your boots on, Dennis.
You got a jacket on?
Huh? Well, where's your jacket? Where's your poncho? Stick your poncho on.
We'll watch you film in a bit.
Yeah, we've got all
What time is
night.
it?
I don't know.
We're here all night.
I know.
Watching a horror
If the wind picks up later, we're not going to sleep anyway.
house with the...
I don't know. I'll try to sleep.
Imagine we wouldn't have bothered. We were so close to not coming here.
I know, we were. What? Come on, we want to get you on your favourite swing.
Must be in the tent. Yeah, we need to get you on the swing.
It's chucking it down now. Are we going beach combing?
Come on, Dennis. Now or never.
I've just put a toy snake on top of Dennis's sleeping bag. Ooh. You're just waiting for it to collapse, aren't you?
A little bit shaky.
Is it? Oh. Go on, Dennis, you have a go.
No, I've been...
Go on.
I went there.
I know, but I didn't go.
There.
Huh? Oh, Daniel's going on it. One day it's gonna snap, you know. Oh no, what are you doing? You're making us all jump, Dennis.
Oh, don't stop, please.
Ah.
Dennis, go. Again, quick, quick, quick. Before it starts raining.
I know. It's going dark now. He's going the other way round. That's the wrong way, you nerd.
This is only a tree.
Dangerous on there.
Oh. I know. What if it creaked? Yeah.
Scary that.
I know.
what we do now then? Just going back in the tent?
Yeah. To lie down, I guess.
And see you in the morning.
Well,
Is that it now?
maybe.
Fun's over now.
There's a dead snake in there.
Yeah, there is.
My God, it's real. It's look real.
Were you scared?
No,
For God's sake.
there's a dead snake. If in the Philippines, I will be like snake.
Dennis is tucked in for the night. And it's definitely bedtime. Daniel's trying to make himself something to eat. Without burning the tent down. How's your food? Huh? Here's my little Dan.
You know what though, you need to cover the car. He's put his film on.
Oh, Dennis is watching a film. So I made me sandwiches. I've got sandwiches, you know.
You've got sandwiches?
Yeah. I might have one of these. I'm not really that hungry though. That's because we cheated and stopped off for something to eat. It's fine. I'm okay with it. It's really windy out there and it's raining as well now. The wind's really picking up. I know, it's really rough outside. Look at the tent. That's me tucked up for the night. And Dennis is watching a film. Daniel's making himself something to eat. And I'm all tucked up. I'll see you in the morning.